Hi guys, I'm here at Pinoy Panadero. You can locate it at Sarawat Gate 1. I will taste this one. This is cheese bread from Pinoy Panadero. Let me start to eat. Tasteful. Ang sarap pala. This is my first time to come here. Wow, ang soft naman. Ang sarap. And there's another one. What is here? This is their pandesal. Pinoy pandesal. If you want to taste the Pinoy pandesal, Pinoy Panadero.